Let's go to the bedroom, remove our clothes, fold them neatly, and engage in frenzied lovemaking.
What if we don't fold our clothes at all?
Or what if we fold them?
Well, here's your key back.
Thank you.
As soon as I have the place set up, I'm gonna have you guys over.
Oh, we would love that.
I really can't thank you enough for taking me in. You know, I was at a pretty low place in my life.
Oh, Amy, you naughty vixen.
Anyway, as I was saying, I was at a pretty low place in my life, and if it wasn't for friends like you...
My goodness, that form of stimulation is highly efficient.
I can't compete with that. Bye.